There is nothing bad when we come across with someone or a person happy or enthusiastic enough when we offer things to him or to her. Alayan mo ng trabaho, alayan mo ng promotion, alayan mo ng isang magandang bagay o kung ano man yan, marahil ilan po sa atin dito, may iilan, masigasig o talagang napaka-sincere ng kanilang pagtugon sa isang natatanging tawag o marahil isang magandang tawag na nasa harapan nila. The story of our gospel would give us the person of this scribe and the other disciple who expressed their desire to follow Jesus. I will follow you wherever you go. And again, we might hear a very enthusiastic and ready disciple. Susunod kahit saan pumunta si Jesus. Susunod kahit saan pumaroon si Jesus. But Jesus answered them by saying that to follow me, it will be uncertain. There will be discomforts. There will be at least setting of priorities. As if Jesus was telling that man, walang problema kung susunod ka. Walang problema kung ikaw ay masigasig na tumugon sa akin. Pero kung susunod, humanda sa mga dapat harapin. Humanda sa mga dapat pagdaanan o sa mga dadaanan, sa mga dapat bitawan, and eventually, sa mga dapat pangatawanan ng ating pagtugon. Minsan po ay tila napakadali na lamang sumagot sa mga madaming imbitasyon sa buhay. Or on the one hand, we tend to be, as some Bible commentators would describe this scribe, to be over-enthusiastic. Oo na lang ng oo, masigasig kung masigasig, tugon kung tugon, yes kung yes. Pero hindi tinitignan ang mga bagay na pwedeng mangyari. Maganda man, makahulugan man, hindi man maganda o yung mga bagay na tama lang o katamtaman lang. But let our enthusiasm be packed with sincere and honest following of Jesus. Hindi yung susunod o mamahalin lang ang Diyos, pero sa oras na dadaan sa krus, may pagdadaanan, ayaw na. Hindi naman susunod lang kapag buenas, kapag komportable lang, o kapag ang gusto lang natin ang matutupad. But my dear brothers and sisters, when we mean to follow Jesus, when we say, yes, I will follow you wherever you go, we give our yes to both joys and sufferings, to both consolations and desolations, to both crosses and resurrections. Hindi po minamasama ng Diyos ang masaya at masigasig nating pagtugon sa Kanya. He just wants us to be enthusiastic as we answer and follow Him, to answer and face what is ahead of us. When we respond to God and when we respond in enthusiasm to God, to our daily life, to whatever or whoever is offered to us, let us not only be sincere with our answers, but how we shall also live our answers.